Production presents.
Something's different. My furniture's gone!
Hey Cody, how's it going?
Someone stole my furniture.
Yeah, that sucks. Well, you want to come do a sound test with me?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go. Okay, well, we've gotten a lot of response and feedback from you guys, and you've told us that the only problem with our videos is that we're having sound problems, levels of volume. Some people can't hear us at all, and some can. We're going to dedicate this video to experimentation with sounds. We'll start with different volumes of sound, and you guys can tell us what you hear. Wow, that was... Wow. Okay. Well, now go under this video and leave comments and tell us what you could and could not hear. Please. Alright, we're gonna run one more experiment. See what you can and can't hear.
What the hell is that?
It's a tool.
A tool? What are we gonna do?
Alright, experiment number 2.
Home improvement or something?
It's going to be another volume test, of course. Now, what we're going to do is, we're going to cut Cody, and we're going to see how loud he screams. And I want you to tell me if you can hear his scream, how loud you can hear. Okay? Ready?
Oh, son of a... That hurts like the Oh, you piece of... I'm gonna kick you.
Can you hear? Hey, sweet. Is that new cherry Coke?
Yeah.
Is it diet?
No.